Hey, I'm Thomas with Pitmaster Essentials. Let's fire up the Hasty Bake and smoke some chicken drumsticks. Welcome to my kitchen. Today is a great day and it is gorgeous outside. We are mid-May and the humidity is low. The temperature is about 75 degrees, so what better day to fire up the Hasty Bake, and we are going to cook some chicken drumsticks. I picked up this package of chicken drumsticks from my local Aldi. $5.21 at the time of this recording. You can't beat that for 14 drumsticks. I have a family of 5, so this is going to feed my family, and we'll probably have some leftovers. I'm going to go pretty simple with this. I'm using Butcher BBQ Sweet Chipotle Rub. Fantastic rub for chicken. It's got a little bit of sweet and obviously a little bit of heat on the back end, which is how we like it. So like I said, it's going to be very simple. So let me bring you down here a little bit closer and we'll get started. Okay, so I got all my drumsticks out here. So what I'm going to do for this cook is I'm going to take the skin. I'm just going to pull the skin down about like that, so that way the rub is going to have full contact with the meat. And it's actually pretty easy to pull these down. So let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite way to cook chicken drumsticks? And I also have a video where I did chicken lollipops, so I'll be sure to put a tag in the corner so you can check that out as well. So now we have the skins pulled back. So let's hit them with some Butcher BBQ Sweet Chipotle Rub. And now, just pull the skin back over top of the rub. This is also going to start a dry brine process, because the Butcher BBQ Sweet Chipotle Rub has some salt in it. And dry brining is a fantastic way to prepare meat. Just do the best you can to try and get the skin back over the meat. Around here we go for function, not perfection. So we're going to hit them with a little bit more Sweet Chipotle Rub. Okay, these guys look really good, so I'm going to set them over to rest and I'll meet you at the pit here in a few minutes. Okay folks, and welcome to the backyard. As you can see, it is gorgeous out here. The sun is shining, blue skies, it is very low humidity and about 75 degrees. The Hasty Bake is coming up to temp. Looks like it's about 290, 300 degrees on the hood. And the drumsticks look fantastic. They've been resting for about 10 minutes now, and I cannot wait to get these on the smoker. Chicken drumsticks are one of the best things to cook, especially if you're new, because they're pretty forgiving. They've got a lot of intramuscular fat, which is great. So the other thing I want to talk about was I'm using B&B Competition charcoal briquettes. I got 2 chunks of applewood in there. And as you can see, got very light blue smoke coming out, so that's what we're looking for. So let me get you in here a little bit closer and we'll get them on the pit. Okay, so there you can see we're right at 300 degrees, which is where I want to be, about 300, 325 at the grate. So now let's get these drumsticks on the pit. So when you go to put them on the pit, you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space in between each one. So I anticipate these will take about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So I'll bring you back here in about 45 minutes or so, and we'll take a look at them and see how they're coming along. But at this point, we're going to close it up and let the Hasty make it tasty. Okay folks, so the Hasty Bake's right about 290 degrees. So I wanted to show you my setup. My exhaust vents are wide open. For this one, I'm just kind of below the bake on the firebox setting. And my intake vents are wide open. Like I said, I did use my heat shield, so I have that on there as well. So we're going to give this about another half an hour or so, and I'll bring you back and we'll see how they're coming along. Okay folks, it's been about 45 minutes, and you can see there that the Hasty Bake is actually cooled off a little bit. Looks like it's about 265, 270, somewhere in there, but that's okay. As I was walking up here, these chicken legs just smell absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to get into these. Okay, so let's see how we're coming along. Okay, those look really nice. Skin's coming along good. It's not quite tacked up. So let's take a look and see how the internal temps are coming here. Okay, that one there is at 174, which is great. When you cook dark meat, you want it to be about 175, 180, 185, somewhere in there. So let's take a look at another one here and see how it's coming along. All right, that one there is about 172. See quite a bit of juice coming out there, so he's not quite done. So we're going to give these about another 15 minutes, and I'll bring you back at that time, and we'll see how they're coming along. Okay folks, it's been right at an hour. Hasty Bake is showing about 310 degrees at the hood. Let's double check the temp, because I have a feeling they're about ready to glaze. Oh yeah, they are looking good. They smell great. Let's take a look at this guy here. Oh yeah, he's at 185, so he's ready. Okay, so I have my barbecue sauce here. Feel free to use whatever barbecue sauce you want. I'm gonna move you guys around this way a little bit. So a quick pro tip, whenever you glaze these, you want to have your barbecue sauce. You want to leave it out either at room temperature or warm it up in a pan. It'll actually drop the temperature quite a bit on your chicken. So we're going to give these about 10 or 15 minutes and let that barbecue sauce tack up. And then I'll pull them off and probably let them rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then I will bring you back at that point and meet you in the kitchen. Okay folks, and welcome back to the kitchen. So we put our barbecue sauce on there. I let it tack up for about 10 minutes. They've been resting here for about 10 minutes. And I tell you what, I am so excited because these things are going to be fantastic. So let's take a look at them and see how we did. Now those are some fantastic looking drumsticks. All right, let's grab one of these, and now that is awesome. They smell just, oh, they smell so good. All right, let's grab a couple of these. Okay, so we got a couple here. So I still have some barbecue sauce left over. So I'm going to hit them with just a little bit more barbecue sauce because I like barbecue sauce. What can I say? But they tacked up nicely. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out which one of these are mine. I don't know how beard friendly this is going to be, so I'm just going to go for it. Now that is so good. My skin didn't crisp up like I had anticipated it would, but that's okay. That's a great piece of chicken. Okay folks, so there you have it. That's how you can make some absolutely fantastic barbecue chicken drumsticks. I forgot to mention about the Butcher BBQ Sweet Chipotle Rub. I can definitely tell that there's a little bit of heat in there. It's just the perfect amount. Not too hot, not too cold. So, with all that being said, please let me know in the comments, have you tried to cook barbecue chicken before and how did it turn out? And do you have a different way of cooking it? I would be interested to know as well. So with all that being said, I thank you for watching the video this far. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Pitmaster Essentials is where flavor meets smoke. And I'll see you in the next one.